Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to type and write text in a circle in Word. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open up Word and type some text in. It doesn't matter, as we can go and change it and type it again later. What you need to do is go and highlight it like so. Go to the top and click on Insert, and go over to the right and go and find WordArt and click there. Choose any of it. Then go back to Home and you want to find the option Clear All Formatting in the Font section just here. Now you can click on Shape Format at the top. Coming to WordArt Styles, and in here you want to click on Text Effects, hover over Transform and you can see the circle option. Go and click on it. As you can see, it's still quite small, so you can then go to the top right here and go and type in two of the same numbers. So 5 and 5, for example. And there it is. What you can then is go and click on the text, and you can then click on Home and can go and change the size of it, and this will go and change how much it goes and rotate by. I'll click off of it. As you can see, go and highlight the text and you can then go and change the size of it. I'll change it, for example. I'll click over there, and as you can see, there it is. If you want to go and change what it says, simply go and click on it and you can go and type, and as you can see, I'll click over there and it's changed. It's that. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.